Welcome to another session in this course. We are going to be looking at the AND function, the OR function, and then the IF function. We want to see how we can combine these three functions together to get a particular task done in Excel. So let us get at it. In this case here, we want to categorize our students. So you can see this student registered for 4 courses and he paid 20,000. Whereas this person here registered for 8 courses and paid 13,500. So this is because some of the students got discount. So we want to categorize to discounted students and premium students. How do we go about that? So we are going to be using the if function, but we will use and function with it. Let us see. So we press equals to if, and then because we want to combine two conditions, then we have to use the AND function. The AND function, so the first condition is that the amount, the amount here must be above 15,000 or 15,000 and above. So we say, okay, which is B2 greater than or equals to 15,000. And then the second condition is that the student must have registered for less than 3 courses. So if the student have paid more than 15,000 or up to 15,000, but the same student has only registered less than 4 courses, then we say it is a premium student. So this is column C. So C2 less than 3, less than 4 rather. So we are saying that the student has paid more than 15,000 or up to 15,000 and above, and at the same time the student has only registered for less than 4 courses. We say this student has paid a lot for few courses, so we say this is a premium student. So now we have completed the logical test. This whole syntax here is the logical test for the if function. Then what is our value if? The value if will be premium. And then what is going to be the value if false? Then that is going to be discounts or discounted. So, and then we put it like that. So which means that this first student should be a premium student. So let's see. Oh, it's a discounted student. So good. So let's see. And then here we are. So let's say our premium student here, the premium student is 20,000 because this student pay above 15,000 and has registered less than 4 courses. The first student paid 20,000 but registered up to 4 courses. So, and you remember for the AND function to work, to give us a true output, the two conditions must be true. So in this case, the first condition is true, but the second condition is not true. So that is why it's still a discounted student. So that is how it is. So let's look at the second premium. The second premium here is that this person pay up to 15,000, but at the same time, the person only register for 1 course. So we have premium. So that is how we can use the if function and the and function together. Now let us look at the second category. The second category is that we want to look at the number of courses and also we want to look at the amount. So we want to check if a student register for more than 5 courses, then that student, we call the student major student. And if any student pay above 15,000, then we can also call the student a major student. So a student can be called a major student from either of these two conditions. If the student has registered more than 5 courses, or if the student has paid more than 20,000. So register more than 5 courses or pay more than 15,000. So we use equals to if, and then we use all condition, all function, because we only want one of the many conditions. So we say or. So the first logic is that we want to check if the student has registered more than 5 courses. So we say C2 greater than 5. And then, and if the student has paid more than 15,000. So student has paid more than 15,000, that is B2 greater than 15,000. So and then, so if a student fulfill any of these two conditions, we say it's a major student. And then if not, we say the student is a minor student. So then here we go. So you can see major, minor, and so on and so forth. So this is how we can combine the if function with and function and the or function to solve a condition like this. Thank you very much until we meet in the next one.